Alright guys, today I'm going to be doing a review and unbox, and I'm even going to make a green juice. This is a Floyd Days self-masticating juicer, and this is a cold press juicer, and this thing could feed a lot of fruits and veggies in the chute. It's very large and it comes apart very easily, so you know it's going to be easy to clean. Alright, so here's some of the pieces that it comes with, and it's very simple. I didn't even have to use the instructions, and I don't think you're gonna need to either. So here's how it works, guys. You go ahead and put this together. This is the auger, is how they call it, and as you can see, you just pull it apart, and this is a little opening here where the juice comes out of, and I'm gonna show you guys right now exactly how to use this thing. But basically you just push it in and out and the juice comes out of there in that little chute. All right, so let's go ahead and screw this in, and we're gonna go ahead and lock it in place. It actually has a safety feature, which I like because I have kids. So it turns off if basically one of the kids try to use it while it's running and they open the lid, it shuts off. So pretty cool. All right, so here's the inside. As you can see, it's a very large opening here. And what you want to do is load that up and put all your fruits and veggies in there. There's a switch back here, and there's also a reverse function, which you need because sometimes at the bottom, if some of the fruits and veggies are getting stuck, you hit the reverse and then you hit forward again, and then it continues to juice. So we're going to be using green apple. I like to use green apple because it's not as sweet of taste, and we're going to be using pineapple, so we'll get our sweetness from that. All right, so get you some green apples and chop them. And I know you can put the whole fruit. You know, I've seen people say, why do you chop this? Well, because it cuts time. And for me, time is more valuable than anything else. So I'm going to go ahead and chop it up. And not just that, the juicer will last me a lot longer if it has to work less hard. So it doesn't take very long. And I'm sharpening up on my skills. Yeah, my knife skills. All right, so now that I have my cucumber, my apple, and my pineapple just about chopped up and ready to go, what I do is I cube them up in like 3 to 4 inch pieces, so I can feed them all in there, and it basically takes up all the square inches in this chute here. So let's start off with some pineapple, throw in some green apples in there, some cucumbers. And look, my kids, it's hard for them to eat this kind of stuff. So what I do is I just juice it for them, and they love it. And all 3 of them actually really enjoyed it. So I'm happy about that. So here's a closer look at how it looks when it's actually doing its thing and juicing. And this thing's pretty much automatic. It does its own thing. You can just set it and then kind of forget it, and it'll basically make all the juice for you guys. So here it is. And all this excess trimmings from the fruits here, you can actually use this on your plants, and it's good nutrients for them, so don't throw it away. All right, so now that we have all the juice ready to go, we're gonna go ahead and pour it into a glass. And look, there's a little bit left in here, so I'm just gonna get the rest. But look at how delicious this juice is. I recommend trying the recipe, and hopefully this review helps you guys.